Want this after effects like CC on Capcut? Here is a preview of the before and after. Disclaimer, I will be doing it on Capcut PC, but don't worry, you can still follow on Capcut Mobile. First, import your clips. After that, search for Blackflash 2 and put it on top of your clip. Follow my settings. After that, add an adjustment. Change saturation to 14 and decrease brightness to -2. After that, go to curves. And on brightness, try to copy this curve. Pause the video if you want to. Then go to effects again and search for chromatic aberration. Follow my settings. Add another adjustment and increase brightness to 32. Then go to effects and search for sharpen edges. Follow my settings. Add one more sharpen edges and follow my settings. Download AE Film Damage from the description and change the blending mode to screen. After that, add another adjustment and follow my settings. Then down layout black to transparent gradient from the description and change the opacity to 45%. Then finally search for vignette and change the texture to 40%. Congratulations! You now have the best CC in Capcut. Comment, Ronaldo is the GOAT, if you want me to make a tutorial on my warp shake. Thank you for watching.